Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage social media with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin managing your social media with Hootsuite, first, visit the Hootsuite website and create an account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts by selecting Add a Social Network from the dashboard. Choose the platforms you want to link, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. After selecting a platform, follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your account. Once your accounts are connected, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. To create a post, click on the New Post button located in the top left corner of the screen. Select the social media accounts where you want your post. Type your message in the text box and add images or links as needed. Use the scheduling options to either post immediately or set a specific date and time for your post. If you want to add hashtags or mentions, do so to increase engagement. After crafting your post, review it for any errors before finalizing. Once satisfied, click Schedule or Post Now to publish your content. For tracking engagement, navigate to the Analytics section on the dashboard. Here, you can analyze metrics like likes, shares, and comments to gauge the effectiveness of your posts. To manage multiple posts, use the Content Calendar feature to view and plan your scheduled content visually. You can also use streams to monitor mentions, messages, or hashtags across your connected accounts. To engage with your audience, check the inbox section for direct messages or comments that need responses. If you're working in a team, invite team members to collaborate by selecting User Management under the Settings tab. Assign roles and permissions based on each member's responsibilities to streamline your workflow. Finally, make it a habit to review your analytics regularly to refine your social media strategy. With these steps, you can effectively manage your social media presence using Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.